Welcome back. Today we're exploring professional welding cleanup, specifically how to handle slag and impurities effectively. Slag and inclusions can compromise the integrity of your weld if they aren't removed properly during cleanup. Professional welders rely on tungsten carbide burr tools to penetrate and strip away these stubborn layers. These tools come in various shapes and sizes, each designed for a specific part of the cleaning process. Pointed burrs are your first line of defense for reaching deep into grooves and removing hidden slag. Flame-shaped tools, on the other hand, are ideal for smoothing out broader curved surfaces and fillet welds. Because they're made of tungsten carbide, they can cut through hardened impurities without losing their edge. They easily strip away porosity pockets and slag inclusions that would stall a standard wire brush. Crucially, they remove the unwanted material without gouging or chipping the surrounding base metal. This gives you surgical control, allowing you to target only the impurities while keeping the weld structure intact. Keep your burrs clean and inspected to ensure they provide consistent performance on every job. Safety is paramount. Always wear full eye and face protection when working with these high-speed tools. Mastering the use of carbide burrs will take your welding cleanup from basic to professional. See you next time.